we return to discuss some of the centrifugal pump types that you are likely to encounter in general industrial areas. To make a general categorization, there are two main classifications of centrifugal pumps, namely single stage and multi-stage. A single-stage pump comprises one hydraulic section, that is, one impeller and one casing, whereas a multi-stage comprises two or more hydraulic sections, usually arranged one behind the other. A common shaft drives all the impellers. Multi-stage pumps are used where continuous high-pressure or high-volume feeds are required, such as boiler feed operations. The design comprises a set of removable sections called stages. The common name for this type of pump is a multi-stage casing set. Another popular pump design is one known as a horizontal split type. Designed primarily for convenient maintenance, horizontal split pumps can be either of single-stage style or multi-stage. A feature of the horizontal split type is that liquid enters the impeller from both sides into what is called a double entry impeller. This has certain advantages as impeller and bearing loads are evenly distributed, whereas side or end entry types usually require balancing devices to counteract hydraulic end thrusts. When any pump is installed, we refer to the whole assembly as being a pump set. A complete pump set comprises the pump itself, together with its drive unit. Both pump and drive unit are mounted upon a base. Most larger pumps are separately mounted from the drive unit. The drive unit is connected to the pump shaft by means of a coupling. A coupling may take many forms, the simplest being two half couplings keyed onto each shaft. The two halves are then carefully aligned. Correct coupling alignment is a critical factor in the task of pump installation and is the subject of a full training program. However, in essence, the pump fitter must ensure that both the pump and the drive unit are in perfect alignment to prevent severe mechanical damage. After the break, we shall discuss certain basics concerning pump installations and some pumping principles.